Hey everyone, this is Chris with CNC by Right. I just want to share a project I'm working on. I took on. Got this table from a customer here in town. Pretty nice table. It was built pretty well, all welded together frame, heavy duty. But the customer was having issues with the control system, wasn't able to get it operating properly. And for their use, they needed a higher amperage cutter machine because they cut thicker materials. So they asked me if I can update the controller to something more modern. They had experience in the My Plasma by Chroma system. So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade their controller, their computer, and their plasma cutter. The basic thing that we're going to do is, with my controller that I've been working on the last several years, it's one control box that could be multiple things. So if you want like the Mach 3 sheet cam, more traditional, older system, I could actually build that to spec for you. If you want the My Plasma controller system, we can do that as well. If you're looking into routering, things like that, we could upgrade all that as well. You could buy the box once, fully ready to go, and we could update and upgrade over time. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Also, we're upgrading the computer to a Windows 10. USB-based computer. It's easily accessible to the internet, so updates, upgrades, and all that stuff. It's gonna be pretty easy versus the older school setup where you might have to bring a thumb drive or a USB over. The last is the cutter. This Lotus is a pretty good cutter for like hobby use, entry level type stuff. They needed more amperage. The Everlast has a really nice system. It's their 82i CNC package, under $1,500. If you want to buy direct, check the links down below. But it has a CNC torch, all the connections available, digital readouts and inputs, 82 amps. I believe it can cut up to 3/4 inch pretty successfully. Maybe a little bit more with an edge start. Definitely a great unit, especially for the price. I'm going to be doing a bunch more videos on this and how to get the most out of them. Cut data being one of the most important. So I'm really excited to work with Everlast. So if you want, check that out. Another part about this table had a cool computer screen, different mount, stuff like that. Definitely going to adapt to all that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this project. If it's something you might be interested in, I can retrofit tables I've built and designed over the years. Other companies' tables. If you like your frame, just want to upgrade the electronics, we can do that as well. Can do like gear reduction, bolt-on most tables. If you want the ball screw design, I have a bunch of options there as well. This table had most of that, so we're just focusing on the electronics and the plasma cutting. So if you're interested, give me a follow on the social media below, wherever you're finding us. We can direct email at cncxright@gmail.com. If you're interested, just let me know, and hopefully we'll be posting a bunch of cool content on this build. So I'll give you some updates on how I build the controller, what's going into it, and get this thing running and tuned properly so the customer can have all the new features on their existing table. Thanks.